Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can delete text messages on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, open up the Messages app. In here, tap on All Messages, and in the Messages list, swipe across on the text message that you want to remove, and then tap on Delete. Next, you can tap on the Delete to remove the whole conversation. Now, if you want to delete multiple text messages, then you can tap on the Option key at the top here and tap on Select Messages. In here, select all the text conversation that you want to remove and tap on Delete, and then tap on Delete again. This will allow you to delete multiple text messages conversation. Now, if you want to delete only some individual text messages within a conversation, you then open up that text conversation, then go down the list here, and then touch and hold. So I'm going to tap on More. So tap on More. So just going to go back, cancel. So you touch and hold. Touch and hold from the pop-up menu, tap on More. And then in here, you can go down the list in the conversations and select any text messages within that conversation to remove, and then tap on Delete, and then tap on Delete the selected messages, and that's it. Now you can tap on the back key, so that way you only delete the text messages within the conversation and not the whole conversation itself. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.